up as a teenage girl, I always thought that my smile was ugly. I always had this mental picture of my smile looking like a masquerade. Like I felt like if I smiled, I would look like one masquerade in my village. That masquerade is called Odogwanyame. I'll try and put up a picture for you so you see what I was thinking I looked like. So one day while I was running down the stairs with my friend, I saw this huge mirror on the staircase. And then I took a look and I smiled. Accidental smile. And I looked really beautiful. I was like, wait, is this what I've been missing out of? Every time I'll just keep my face mean-faced, not smiling. So that was the day I decided to smile for the rest of my life. And sisters, I'm still smiling. Everybody that knows me knows Makwa smiles a lot. I'm a smilist. The first way to be very attractive is smiling. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Makwa, aka the Voice Doctor. I create content to help you become the best version of yourself and in turn attract quality men. Even if you don't want the quality man, you shall want to be a better version of yourself. So people, if you're seeing me for the first time, please like this video, drop me a subscription, subscribe to my channel now, click the notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be notified. Okay, share this video with your friends because you don't know who needs to see this. Today I'm going to tell you about ways to be more attractive in seconds. I already told you the first one, smiling. I'm going to dive in more into how smiling makes you super duper attractive. Smiling has a way of making you endearing to other people. Now, as a girl, I didn't think I was beautiful enough. I thought I looked, just imagine the mental picture I have of myself. A masquerade, just see, Chioma, you also have that mental picture of yourself. Oh, I look ugly when I smile. My teeth is not good. My teeth is not white enough. It's broken. If I smile, I will look somehow. I want you today to erase that memory of yourself. See this attraction thing, it's a mindset thing. First of all, if you feel about yourself, if you feel you're super attractive, if you feel you're attractive, you look at yourself in the mirror and you're like, oh, Makwa, you're so pretty. Do you know that when you step out, your mood is enhanced? And that's how everybody you'll be meeting that day will be. And you look so pretty. You look beautiful. And me, I'll just be doing, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Because I already had this image of myself while in my room before I stepped out. That's number one. The factor you should consider in your attractiveness is your appearance. And today I'm not talking about just any appearance. I'm talking about feminine appearance because this video is for ladies, happy. So your appearance is everything. Let's start from what you wear. What do you even wear? Are you the kind of girl that just wakes up, your alarm goes off, you run to the bathroom and you brush your teeth, nothing, you don't pay any attention to how you look, you just grab one skirt, one trouser, one baggy trouser and put it on, and you grab on one big top and put on, then you carry your bag, you're running off? No, now, Choma, no, that's not it. See, first of all, appearance starts from the fabric you choose. The clothes you choose. What kind of fabric do you use to tailor your clothing? What kind of clothes do you wear? What color do you wear? These are very, very sensitive things that you have to pay attention to each time you're considering your appearance. You choose high quality fabrics, the cashmere, polyester, cotton. You should choose the satin. I did not forget that one. Silk. You should choose colors that blend with your skin tone. Now, don't go and choose the kind of yellow. I mean, your fair complexion, that you're choosing a yellow that makes you sick. There are colors that pop with your skin if you're fair complexion. There are colors that are good for your skin tone if you're dark complexion. But generally, neutral colors do well with anybody, no matter how white or black you are. You're going to look polished, classy, look very beautiful and attractive. So we're looking at black colors, white, neutral colors. This color is neutral colors of this particular tone. You're looking at those colors. Then you're looking at monochrome. For example, now if you're wearing a brown jacket, you're wearing a brown top also, you're wearing a brown pants, and you're wearing a brown shoe. That monochrome is something. Like, I will flash you pictures so that you understand what I'm talking about. You're looking at colors like beige, gray, colors that are quality, colors that look good with your skin tone. That's the first part. We've talked about fabric, we've talked about colors. Then again, we're looking at your feature. What's your body curve? How do you look? There are people that are triangular in shape. There are people that are pear-shaped. I will put pictures to help you. There are people that are hourglass shaped. So these people with these shapes, what's a triangular shaped person? Someone that has broad shoulders and maybe a little bit doesn't have hips and thighs, is not the clothes you hourglass figured girl will wear. So don't say, oh, my friend bought this dress and it was really good on her, and then you go and put it on. No, it will not fit you. You have to wear well-tailored clothes that accentuate your features. Now you have a bulgy tummy and you go and wear a tight-fitted dress that will now bulge out your tummy. How about now? No, you're going to look anyhow. Even if you must wear that tight-fitted dress, there are shapewears. See, you're not deceiving anybody. There are shapewears, there are corsets that slim your waist, and then it makes you look very attractive, very presentable. So you say if you're walking, you see yourself on the mirror and you're like, see babe now, that kind of thing. So you don't just wear anything. You must know your shape. You must know how you look, your appearance. So that's that. And the third thing with appearance, iron your clothes. Choma, iron your clothes now. See, the last class I had, there was this lecturer that came in, very fine looking tall young man, and then something was off-putting about him. Guess what? He wore this navy blue fine shirt, but it was rumpled. I was like, hey, there's this rumple that comes from unpacking the clothes, and there is this rumple that comes from, I don't care, I just want to look anyhow. That was the kind of rumple he had. I was like, please, where is this man coming from? And like, why is he wearing this? No matter how fine your clothes is, that your tailored clothes that you spent 1 million to make, and you did not iron it, it cheapens the clothes. It cheapens you. It shows you as someone that is irresponsible, that doesn't care about how they look. So Choma, the next time you bring your clothes, the next time you buy a clothes, please iron it. Buy a steamer. It's there online. It's all over the place. Iron your clothes. That extra step of attention you pay to your clothes pays off in the way you look, in the way you present yourself to the world. Okay? And the fourth thing about clothes is have a style. See, there was this book I read. I'll pop it on the screen and probably find a link to add to the description so you can get it if you want. The Little Black Book of Style. I read that book and that changed my whole life. It changed how I saw style. Style is not following a particular fashion trend. Style is is expressing yourself in how you look. Do you like short hair? Do you like black clothes? There are certain kinds of clothes you like to wear that becomes your signature. That when someone sees you from far, it's like, it's Makwa, that's how she likes to dress, that's your personal style. Now, you don't have to copy someone or compare yourself to other people or say, oh, she's wearing a bikini and she really looks good, so I think that bikini will look good on me. No. You have to sit down, identify your personality, and understand your personal style. Personal style will help you express yourself more, and it makes you very, very attractive. The fifth thing about your appearance is your hair. Your hair, Choma. When last did you do your braids? I saw a video flying around the internet where this lady had not washed her hair for 6 months. Choma, that cannot be you. Hey, my girl, that cannot be you. You can't carry itchy hair. Just think about this. What if your wig mistakenly falls on the road and your hair exposes and your hair is looking so bad, a lot of dandruff on it, it's itchy, it's smelly before you wash it? When last did you take that your wig for revamping? See, it's not if you buy wig, you just, every time you put it on your hair, you're not washing it, you have to take it to the salon. There are people that revamp hair. Please, take your wig. This is a reminder, Chioma, to take your wig to the salon for revamping. You have to, even if you're wearing wigs, you have to be on neat cornrows, change your hair. If you're the natural hair girl, style your hair differently. Just look for ways, because the first two things people notice about you is your skin and your hair. So your hair should always speak volumes about you. Don't neglect your hair. And the final thing about your appearance is your skin. How is your skin tone? Are you black on the face and white on the hands? As much as there are lots of things out there flying around as skincare, organic, I'm not here to bash anyone. Look for what suits your skin. Be happy with your caramel skin. Take pride in what color of skin you have. And also take care of your skin. Buy skincare products that would make you look good. Drink a lot of water. That way your skin will always be popping. Another way to be super attractive is be your muse. By muse, I'm talking about be your cheerleader. Be the person that takes pride in who she is. Be the girl that loves up herself. Be the girl that is confident. You know, many people talk about confidence with how you look, how you enter a room, and how you make everyone feel. That's it. But then confidence requires mastery. If you must be confident, you must master yourself. That brings me to self-awareness. Do you know yourself? Do you know your strengths and weaknesses? What is it that someone will say that will just put you off? What is it that makes you tick? What is it that makes you go crazy? Like, you have to understand yourself. And you can't understand yourself if you're not spending enough time with yourself. If you're all out there giving and giving, you don't understand yourself, you cannot be a confident person. It will just be on a surface level. When you get out there, you're confident. When you come inside, you're just like that. Like, Melo Mebele, show me some help. So, your confidence emanates from the person you are inside your house. When you're outside, the person you've become to the world is a result of the time you spent in your house dealing with yourself. So, how do I become self-aware? Write to yourself. Write letters to yourself. So I have this habit when I'm feeling down, like I don't understand what's going on. I try to evaluate my mood. Why am I feeling the way I'm feeling? Did I meet someone new? Did someone say something to me that I didn't like? So these things help me understand my person. What do? I journal. I write a lot. I write things down. Hi Makwa, why are you feeling how you're feeling? I try to communicate myself. Aside from writing and journaling about the way I feel, I talk to myself. I psych myself up. Even before I jumped on this video, I psyched myself up, because it's not like everybody that's confident, they are always confident, they don't have their down times. No, they have to ginger themselves, they have to motivate themselves. So be that person for you who loves herself, who psychs herself up, who goes out there and faces the world like, hey, nothing may happen. Nothing they share, like, go scatter the place, you know. 5, your demeanor. What's demeanor? Demeanor is just the way you appear to people. How do people perceive you when you go out there? So there was this post I saw on Instagram like 3 years ago where someone was saying, you're a sister, you're working hard, you look pretty, you do your makeup and all stuff, yet men don't like you, men hate on you. Hey, don't mind them and all stuff like that. While I understand the message of this post, another thing I thought about was, what about your demeanor? How do you appear to people? How do you treat people? How do people perceive you? You might be all of these things, hardworking sister who's smashing goals and all that, and is prim and proper, but your attitude stinks. But you're the type that is unkind to other people. That might be the problem, sister. I'm like, okay, picture this thing with me. A lady comes out of a very beautiful car. She's going to a hotel, and the men come from the hotel. People are hustling to help her. They help her pick her things. They carry her bag. The doorman opens the door for her. Good afternoon, ma'am, and all that. She just keeps a mean face and just walking. She goes to the counter and she said, "My room key." They just give her a room key. They're like, "Welcome, ma'am." She just keeps her face and walks back. Do you think anybody would like that woman? I'm sure she will be the talk of that whole hotel. Like, why is she behaving like that? So imagine this same woman again. This particular woman now. The doorman opens the door for her. She's like, "Thank you." The person that carries her bag, she's like, "Oh, thank you." And she gives them a tip. She gets to the door. "Can I have my key, please?" They give her her key. "Thank you so much." Everybody will run around that woman. You see that second woman, everybody will run around her. "Ma, do you want something? Can I help you with something?" Blah, blah, blah. People will naturally be endeared to her. Do you see the difference? So that's your vibe. Your demeanor is your vibe. What do you bring into the atmosphere? Uncultured mannerism. Do you just come out uncouth and you're cursing out there, God punish you, now the crease, you're just raz anyhow, no form of. You don't want to be that woman. Your demeanor, the message I'm sending is that your demeanor is everything. And finally, humor and playfulness. When last did you smile? When last did you crack a joke and people laughed and people are excited to be near you? People love people who make them laugh. People love people who make them feel at ease, who play with them. Every man is attracted to a woman who has humor as her principal attitude. With that, I'm going to end this video because it's become too long. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. You can actually have a look at 4 things that make you super attractive. I'll link it somewhere. Okay.